Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I just got a shoe rack off of Amazon. It's made to fit a crap load of shoes on it. It feels like a piece of crap when I lifted it up. I got it for I think like $19.99 or $29.99 or some crap, and but it feels really light and not really that well built, but it's just for shoes, so I hope it's going to be fine. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. We're going to build it real quick. You're going to see what it looks like, and we're going to do a little review. Where you going? Alright, so that's everything it comes with. This is what the directions look like up close. That's the directions right there. Where's the back? Okay, so let's see, can you see everything in there? Yeah, you can. You can see everything in there. So let's get this thing built. I guess you just get the hang of it, because it's the same thing over and over again, just building the same shelf.
And it's like what, made out of plastic?
Well, like this thing sucks, but whatever. You get me a paid for it.
It's to hold empty
Shoes, I know.
It's not gonna. Yeah, I wouldn't see why it would suck if you're not putting pressure onto it. I mean, it's just light, so it would tip over, but I don't think it sucks because it's light. Is it plastic or aluminum?
This is like aluminum, yeah. Just feels like a piece of poopy. But, let's see what it looks like. Alright everyone, so that was me building it real quick. That's what it looks like. If you want to know the measurement, I'll take a measurement real quick. Can I see the top or no? Alright, so it is going to be, so you know if you could fit it somewhere, 18 inches wide by 12 1/4 inch deep, and then height from the floor to the top. We're looking at 58 3/4. So 58 3/4 tall. So that's the size if that works for you. And that's it. That's us building it. I'll do another. I'll come back in a second after we put the shoes on. You'll see what it looks like with shoes on it, and then that'll be the end of the review. So we'll do that next. And then yeah, that's it for now. All right. See you guys in a bit. Bye bye. Alright, so this is an updated review of what it looks like with all these shoes on it. I don't know, I can't really flip the thing around now. So that's what it looks like, and that's just the updated review on it, so you guys can see. We put the, we have separators in there, so we fit even more shoes on there, as you can see. So we put separators in there as well to really maximize the storage space, but that's what we got and how many shoes we could fit, and you can expect to fit on it. Alright, and that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also subscribe to my channel, join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Thanks everybody, bye bye.